Here are some pattern making tools you have to be familiar with. Firstly, on my list here is the measuring tape. I'm sure there is nothing you can do as a fashion designer without your measuring tape. Measuring tape has inches measurement on one side and centimeters on the other, and it has a maximum measurement of 60 to 120 inches. And here we have scissors. Two types of scissors are needed in pattern making. One will be for cutting the paper and the other will be for cutting fabric, and they must not be used interchangeably because the fabric scissors might eventually dull the paper scissors. We also need the pins to pin patterns together, to pin patterns on fabric and also on dress forms, and the pin holder which helps in holding the pin together while working. You need a black pencil that will be very visible on the pattern while drafting, and a good quality eraser to clean some patterns which you no longer need. You as well need a paper tape to join your pattern papers together while drafting. You need the tailor's chalk and also your thread, and you must ensure that these threads are not the type of threads that have been stored for so long at where you are getting them, to avoid cutting off while sewing. We have various papers which are used for pattern making, and it varies in weight. Oftentimes this white color pattern is usually used to develop the first pattern, and then grading is done on the heavyweight paper, which are this type of brown papers. And this is the tracing wheel, and it's used to transfer pattern papers. As small as it is, it's very important, as I have not seen any tool that can replace this tracing wheel, and it's very important in pattern drafting. If you don't have, ensure you get one before the commencement of this class. Let's talk about the rulers and curves. You can see the straight ruler here to make straight lines on patterns. You can see the hip curve that has curves similar to the side seam of our body. You can see the French curve, which is also known as the armhole curve, and it is a plastic curve scale used for making curves of armhole and necklines in patterns. And we have the pattern master, which is a multi-purpose tool to draw straight lines. It can be used to draw armhole curves. It can be used to draw the side seams curve. It's actually a multi-purpose tool. So if you don't have all other curves, ensure you get this